I really hope there's a label for my identity. Okay, so I'll explain my identity. It feels similar to gender fawn, but it depends on where I am, what I'm doing, or who I'm around at the time. For example, when I'm by myself, I feel a gender. And when I'm with my girlfriend, I feel non-binary and sometimes a demi-boy. My girlfriend supports my membership in case anyone was wondering. My gender identity depends on a lot of things. Of course, I can just say I'm gender fawn if people ask, but it wouldn't feel right in a way. And if you want to know what gender fawn is or any other label, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it. Nyx is signing out.